What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to drop shot fish. I've only recently started drop shot fishing, so I'm not quite an expert at it, but I do have a few tips and pointers for you. So stick around and I'll show you all that I know about drop shotting. The first thing about drop shot fishing is you want to be using the appropriate weight for what you're doing. So right now, I plan on fishing, I'm in 13 foot of water. We'll be throwing up to maybe 8 or 10. My weight may be a little heavy. I think it is 3/16. Also, if you know you're gonna be fishing near grass, get you a wacky rig hook that has a weed guard on it. And just for the sake of time and purpose, I'm going to try to be using some live bait here. See if we can target, find some fish. So we're going to nose hook a little minnow instead of a little, artificial worm. Nose hook that guy. Is the carpet too hot? Nah, carpet ain't too hot. There we go. Now we know we're fishing. So I have this point located. It's actually pretty extended and there's like a little dip in the middle. I don't know if you guys can tell, but here's the point, and there's I'm on the edge of it, and there's a dip in the middle, and then it comes back up a little higher where that hazard buoy is. So I'm gonna cast that on out there, and now we're just gonna twitch it off the bottom just a little bit and pull it toward us. We'll fish this entire area. Let's see if we can locate some fish. Reason I'm doing minnows is typically you can find fish a little faster using a minnow. Dang, I think I got a bite. Got him. All right, got a fish on. Oh yeah, we got us a fish. Got us a fish. Yeah. Come on in, big guy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Let's get you off that carpet. It's pretty hot. A little bit 1 pounder or so, maybe 3/4. Oh yeah, smells delicious. All right, he came out of a little bit of brush that's off that point there, so we'll fish this point for a little while longer. Let's make sure you guys stayed clean. I've got a little bit on you. There we go. I say we try to rinse and repeat. What do you guys say? You guys want to see if we can catch another one? Or should we just call it a day and go home? No, shouldn't call it a day and go home yet. There we go. That's the bite. Oh, I got him. Man, he hit it as soon as it hit the water. Oh, he's jumping. He's jumping. Let's get him up. That's a little better than the last one, I think. Oh, he got us all wet. He got us all wet. No, I don't know if he's any better. I'll check him out. Pretty good size. Nothing worth bragging about, but dang. I'm out here catching fish on a pattern. That's what's important. So once you identify a pattern, you wear it out. So like if this point ever gave out on me, which it probably will eventually, I'm going to find other points that mimic this. I do know of a couple points that are similar, but not exactly like this on this lake. But hey, we can try them out. So let's let this guy go. Let's go catch another one. What do you guys say? So today I got this medium action 6'6" H2O Express, or actually it is moderate action, but it is also medium in power. We're fishing this line here, I believe, is 15-pound high-vis yellow suffix. Oh, I remember why I went with a little heavier weight. I meant to mention this to begin with, but I have some pretty large minnows here, and without a larger weight, they would swim off with it. So let's see if we can catch us another fish here. I'm getting bites, so that's promising. Oh, got him already. That didn't take very long. Oh, he's jumping. He's jumping. Man, that was a pretty high jump. Yeah. Come on, big guy. Let's get on in the boat. I know, you're going to try to splash me, aren't you? I didn't let it happen because... Come here. Man, your teeth are a little more aggressive than those other guys. All right. You're not helping anybody. You're not helping anybody. Come here. Oh, we got a fish flopper. Give me the mouth. There he is, guys. This one's better than the last two. He's pretty chunky. He's got a big old belly on him. We'll let him go. Right over here. Gone. He didn't waste any time. All right, guys. Now that's the sport of fishing for you. I mean, when you're hot, you're hot. And when you're not, you're not. And today, well, it's hot outside, but it's not quite as hot as it's been, but the fishing is definitely on fire. I feel like I'm drifting off my little point here. Oh, there's a bite. I think I got him. I got him. I just was letting it sit there. That feels like a decent one. I'm gonna keep him down. Keeping him pinned. Oh yeah. He's definitely a decent one. Let's get him in the boat. He's got some decent pull on him. He's got some weight behind it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, big guy. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. I wasn't wrong. You have some decent weight behind you. Probably the biggest of the day. Oh, easy, 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 easy. He's got a little deep, but it ain't nothing big. It ain't a big deal. It ain't too bad. I'm sorry, big guy. That was not fun for either one of us. All right, let's check our line out. That ain't too bad. Ain't too bad. We'll be all right. All right, we got him undone, so he'll be good. He'll be all right. Man, for 95 degrees, it feels pretty freaking fantastic out here. I mean, it was in the hundreds, so that was pretty stinking toasty. All right, guys, let's go catch us a few more drop shot fish. That was a pretty decent size. All right, guys, while we watch me fish for just a few minutes right before I hook one on, drop shotting is a fantastic summer tactic. You should use this tactic while fishing points, ledges, drop-offs, and humps. Particularly the ones that have structure attached to them, such as a laydown or some brush. Got him. I got somebody. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. He don't feel big, but he's okay. Maybe he is a little bigger than I thought. He just was coming at me. Oh, Oh, he ain't big. He ain't big. He's like, how dare you not call me big? There we go. There's another one. Y'all check him out. Pretty good size bass. He ain't too bad. Let's let him go. Gone. Thank you guys for watching another episode. Obviously I'm using live bait today to drop shot. You can obviously try it with something like this, a little dragon drop here, or a little worm with some action. If I didn't have these minnows, I'd probably be doing this. But like always, until next time, get out there and go catch you some fish.